Welcome students for this foundation class. You know the foundation class is meant to understand some concepts in ninth and 10th standard so that when you go to the 11th and 12th and when you want to appear for any competitive exam in the 12th, either JE or NEET or any CUET, etc., you will feel comfortable. Why this foundation means 11th and 12th, the total syllabus is 6 times more than your 10th standard syllabus. 11th and 12th, 2 years put together, if it is only 2 times more than the 10th standard syllabus, we can understand. But it is 6 times more because the science, they are splitting into physics, chemistry, biology. So, three different subjects you will be studying. So, that is the reason it's the size of the syllabus is big. You will find it little difficult. So, if your concepts in ninth and 10th are better, then you will feel comfortable while studying in the 11th standard. So that is the reason why we wanted to have this 11th standard class. We'll straight away go to the test. Today is a small test. We will take our own time to answer the questions. There is no option. You can straight away, you can calculate and tell me the answer. Okay, question number one. Question number one. I think somebody has come. No. Question number one. I read the question once. You can read in your mind once or twice. LCM of two numbers is 48. The numbers are in the ratio 2:3. What are the numbers? LCM of two numbers is 48. The numbers are in the ratio 2:3. What are the numbers? Take your own time. Don't be in a hurry. Give the correct answer. In a hurry, don't try to give the wrong answers. I will read the question once again. LCM of two numbers is 48. The numbers are in the ratio 2:3. What are the numbers? Ashil Krishna, next class onwards, please try to come by the time, whatever time we mentioned, 7:30 or 8. So we are having a small test today, about 10 questions. And the first question is, hope you are able to see the screen. Are you able to see the screen? All of you?
Yes, sir.
LCM of two numbers is 48. The numbers are in the ratio 2:3. What are the numbers? It is not difficult. At the same time, it's not easy. It's little tricky. Little tricky. Normally, they give the numbers. They'll ask you to find LCM. Here, LCM is given. And they're asking you to find the numbers. Ulta. They are asking, the question is somewhat ulta. Okay, I'll give you a clue. Now let us look at the factors of 48. Factors of 48. What are the factors of 48? I'll make some space. Factors of 48. Can you tell me factors of 48? 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6, comma 8, comma 12, 13, 14, 15, comma 16. Then what is the next factor? 2, 3, 4,
24,
6.
sir.
Huh?
24, sir.
24. Now take any two numbers out of these all factors such that it is in the ratio 2 is to 3.
Sir, I found the answer, sir.
Tell me the answer.
The numbers are 16 and 24, sir.
16 and 24. One boy is giving 16 and 24. Is this the only answer? Is it the only answer? You have any more answer? Okay. Oh, students, try to come in time. Okay. See, now what we did, how we started looking at the factors of 48, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24. And we know the LCM of these two numbers, those any two numbers 48. And those numbers are in the ratio 2 is to 3. 16 and 24, yes, they are in the ratio 2 is to 3 for good. And the LCM of these 16 and 24 is 48. So that is the right answer. I am asking Sabari or and others, is there any other answer? Okay, can I ask one question to Sabari and others? 8 and 12, is it, can the numbers be 8 and 12? Can the numbers be 8 and 12?
Yes, sir.
No, no, no. Before telling yes, you think over and tell me. I will actually force you to make a mistake.
Yes, sir, it can be, sir.
It cannot be, I think. Why? Okay, first of all, 16 and 24, are you getting? All of you, all others are getting 16 and 24? Children? How we got 16 and 24? So, what I did was, we wrote the factors of 48, 2, 3, all these things are factors, including 1 also. No? 1, comma 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 factors. We took two factors which are in the ratio 2 is to 3. Sabari said it is 16 and 24. Yes, 16 and 24 in the 2 is to 3. I am saying there's another this thing, pair of words, when numbers, that is 8 and 12 are 2 is to 3. And I am asking whether 8 and 12 also can be the numbers. Sabari says yes. I am saying no. So this is not the right answer. 8 and 12 is not right. Only 16 and 24 is right answer. Why 8 and 12 are not the right answer? Sabari, what is the LCM of 8 and 12? Find out. 8 and 12 का LCM कितना है? Palak, what is the LCM of 8 and 12? In your school method, how will you find a LCM 8 and 12?
By finding its factors, sir.
No, 8 and 12, no, you will divide by 2 and
24,
divide by
sir.
another 2 like that, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is that? What is the LCM you are getting? Somebody, what is the LCM you are getting for 8 and 12?
Sir, 24, sir.
24. So it is not 48. So 8 and 12 is not the correct answer for this question. Understood, Sabari?
Yes, sir.
So it's 16 and 24. So the 16 and 24 are the answers. The numbers are, the numbers which are in the ratio 2 is to 3 are 16 and 24. Children, others, are you with me? Are you able to understand, all of you? People who have joined late?
Yes, sir.
Can you open your mouth, others? Palak is opening. What about others? I just want to hear one or two more people.
Yes, sir.
Ah, good, good, good. Very good. Okay, then, so this is the question. So we got it correct. At least, even if one of you get it correct, I assume that all of you know this. That is my way of approaching the children. Okay, Sabari got it correct. It means that you all of you know how to answer it, but only thing is Sabari got it a little early. Okay, go to the next question. If x minus y is equal to 3, x plus y is greater than or equal to 9, what is the least value of x? Read the question twice or thrice and then try to answer. All of you try to come in time. Hereafter, next class onwards, try to come in time. Otherwise, we'll be losing some part of the class. So the question asked is if x minus y is equal to 3, x plus y is greater than or equal to 9, what is the least value of x? Okay, how will you do it? I'll give you a clue. X minus y equal to 3, you keep it. X plus y, you keep it as 9. Greater than, you forget about greater than right now. Right now, you don't think about greater than. X plus y equal to 9. Find out x and y. If x minus y equal to 3, x plus y equal to 9, what is x, what is y?
Sir, y will be x minus 3, sir.
Y will be x minus 3, correct. So, now you tell me the two numbers, x, y. Okay, y is what? X is what, y is what? What is the value of x and what is the value of y? No, I am saying there are two equations, simple equations, x minus y equal to 3. And another equation is x plus y equal to 9. So how will you find out? What is x? Why you are getting not getting the answer? X minus y equal to 3, x plus y equal to 9. What will you do? You add both the equations. What will you get? On the left hand side, you will get 2x. If you add this equation 1, this equation 2, add 1 and 2, you will get, what will you get? You get 2x is equal to 12. Then x should be equal to 6. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Y
Yes,
equal
sir.
to 3.
Yes, sir.
So here the problem you got confused because of that greater than. Whenever you get greater than or smaller than, you forget it for the moment and assume that it is equal to that number and solve for it, and then you decide what is the answer. Now the least value of x will be 6. The least value of x will be 6. Understood, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay. Because here they have given x plus y is greater than or equal to 9. So whatever value you get x, that will be the least value of x. Okay. Question number 3. Somebody, can you read this question for everybody?
Yes, sir. A certain sum of money at simple interest amounts to rupees 1260 in 2 years and to rupees 1350 in 5 years. What is the interest rate per annum?
Think, don't be in a hurry, read it twice, then you answer. It is little tricky, that's all. I'll just join you in half a minute. Just think. Yes. I read the question once again. A certain sum of money at simple interest amounts to 1,260 in 2 years and rupees 1,350 in 5 years. What is the interest rate per annum? What is this 1260? Is it the principal or something else? In a simple interest, what is the formula for simple interest? SI is equal to, yes, PNR by 100. Have you studied this?
Yes, sir.
P is the principal, N is the number of years, R is the rate of interest, SI is simple interest. Now they are saying, I'll make it small so that I get some space. Now they are saying the 1260 is what? Is it P or what is that?
Sir, it's P.
Huh?
Is it P?
Is it P? No, it is not P. It is something else. What is that something else? Okay, this is simple interest. Then what is the total amount? No, I'll put total. Total is equal to P plus SI, P plus simple interest. Let us say that I will put it as T. No, I think in your school you would have written as S, sum, total sum is equal to like that. So T. So the 1260 is T. T is 1260 in 2 years. T is 1350 in 5 years. T is, see, it means T for 2 years is 1260. And T for 5 years, T for 5, it's not T into 5. T for 5 years is equal to 1350. From this, can you find something? No, T for total equal to P. T2 is nothing but P plus 2 SI. Am I correct? Simple interest for 1 year is SI, and for 2 years you have to multiply by 2. And here it is P plus 5 SI is equal to 1350. Somebody has come, let us. So this is a T2 total at the end of second year is principal plus 2 times simple interest, that is 1260. Total after 5 years is principal plus 5 times simple interest 1350. From this what can we find? Can we find SI? P plus 2 SI equal to 1260, P plus 5 SI is equal to 1350. Can you find SI? Find SI, how much it is you are getting? SI for 1 year, simple interest for 1 year will be equal to equation 2 minus T5 minus T2. Find out T5 minus T2. T5 minus T2 is how much? T5 minus T2. Is it 3 SI?
It's
3 SI is equal to how much? 90? 3 SI is equal to 90? That is T5 minus
Yes, yes.
T2 is equal to 3 SI
90.
90. So 1 SI is equal to how much?
630, sir.
No, 1 SI equal to 3 SI equal to 90. 1 SI equal to
30, sir.
30. So now you apply PNR by 100. P I do not know. Sorry, P, okay, no, right. So if SI equal to 30, can you find P by substituting in this? If SI is 30, 2 SI is 60, then P will be how much? Here if you put P plus 2 SI equal to 1260, SI is 30. So 2 into 30 will be 60. Then P is how much? Is it correct? P is 1200? I think the confusion is I should have written as I. Interest, simple interest, I should not have written as SI. I think that is the confusion you are getting, I think. Am I correct? Now it's correct. Interest is equal to PNR by 100. So total equal to principal plus interest equal to total. T2 is the total at the end of second year is principal plus 2I equal to 1260. Total at the end of fifth year is P plus 5I equal to 1350. Then T5 minus T2 equal to 3I. That is equal to 90. From that you find I, and from substituting I here you can get P equal to 1200. Now you can find what is R. What is asked? What is the interest rate? Now you have to find R. Find your R. P is 1200, I is 30, N 1 year. If it is 1 year, it is I is 30, and R you have to find. See, I equal to 30 equal to 1200 into 1 year into R divided by 100. Can you find R from this? I'll put small x. Ah, 1200 into 1 into R by 100 equal 30. Can you find R from this? What is R? Are you able to understand? I think you are finding it difficult, huh? Confused. Are you confused? Palak, are you confused?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, what are they asking? A certain sum of money at simple interest amounts to 1260 in 2 years and to 1350 in 5 years. So we know if for simple interest the formula is PNR by 100. Have you studied this or not at 7th or 8th or 9th? Interest equal to PNR by 100. Have you studied?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, so that is the interest. The total will be, principal plus interest will be the total. The total at the end of second year, we are indicating it as T2 is equal to principal plus 2 times the interest, because 1 year the interest is I, for 2 years it is 2I, that is equal to 1260. So total for the 5 years is principal plus 5 into I, that is equal to 1350. From this we got I equal to 30. And by substituting I here, you can get P equal to 1200. And by substituting I and P in PNR by 100, you can get R. So what is the value of R? R is equal to 30 into 100 divided by 1200. How much you are getting? Calculate this. 30 into 100 divided by 1200. How much you are getting? I don't know. What is your problem? I do not know. The simple multiplication and division 30 into 100 divided by 1200. That is 3000 divided by 1200. How much you are getting? Somebody, what is the answer? 3000 divided by 1200. Why this calculation you are not able to do? This multiplication, division and all you are finding it difficult. 3000 divided by 1200. How much you are getting?
Sir, 1.15.
No. You do it properly. 3000 divided by 1200. Is this actually 50 standard problem? Huh?
2.5.
My God. You are taking so much time for this. Why you are taking so much time? What is the problem for you? I do not know. Unless I know your problem, it will be difficult for me to solve your problem. My problem is I am not able to find what is your problem. So when I am writing it and then asking you to calculate why you are taking so much time, 3000 divided by 1200. It should be very easy, straight away you should be able to say 2.5. So have you understood? Sabari, have you understood this? Sabari is not there, I think. Who else is there? Anybody? Srinidhi, are you able to understand this? This question? Okay. Question 3 looks like it's very difficult for you. Question 4 I will skip for the moment. Question 6 I will straight away go to question 10 and I will come from the reverse. Now, question 10, density is equal to mass by volume. Is it correct? Is physics. Density is equal to mass by volume. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So, like that, what is force? What is momentum? What is kinetic energy? Can you write down in a piece of paper and then you can answer? Write down. Force is equal to what? Momentum is equal to what? Kinetic energy is equal to what? Pressure is equal to what? Like that you can write. Whatever you know, you write. Density is equal to mass by volume. Force is equal to what? What is the formula for force? Is it mass into acceleration?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Is it mass into acceleration? F equal to ma. Have you studied this? F equal
Yes,
to
sir.
ma. Have you studied anywhere? You have not studied force in your school? Palak?
Yes, sir, I have studied.
So why you are keeping quiet? Mass into acceleration, m into a. Momentum is what?
Mass into velocity.
Yeah, velocity. My God. That is equal to mv. Then kinetic energy of mv square. Have you studied this? Half mv square? Kinetic energy equal to half mv square. Have you studied or not? Force, then pressure is equal to force divided by area. Energy equal to force into
Distance.
distance. Well, I don't know. I think you people are forgot. You have studied, but you have forgot. So you copy somewhere. I am asking some simple, straightforward question only. Density equal to mass divided by volume. So density equal to mass by volume, force equal to mass into acceleration. Acceleration, I think that acceleration, no? Yeah. Momentum equal to mass into velocity. Kinetic energy equal to half mv square. And then pressure equal to force divided by area. Energy equal to force into distance. So this is question number 10. Let's go to question number 9. So there are equations of motion. You must have studied equations of motion. What are the equations of motion? Do you remember that? V equal to? Oh, you have forgotten everything, I think. Whatever you have studied, you have forgotten, I think. V equal to U plus AT. Have you studied this or not? V equal to U plus AT. What is this formula? S is equal to? Have you studied? No. I don't know whether you have studied all these things. You must have studied. Half into AT square. And V square equal to U square plus 2AS. I think you have forgotten or something. I don't know whether you have studied or not. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. V square equal to U square plus 2AS. Have you studied this formula? Now you tell me whether you know. I have written the formula. Have you studied this formula in your school? Srinidhi, have you studied these things?
Yes, sir.
Then why you have forgotten? My God, you have studied, now you have forgotten. Totally. Okay, go to question this. Can you find out the answer for this? So what is 1 micron equal to how many meters? 10 power minus 6 meter, isn't it? 1 nanometer equal to 10 power
Sir, minus 9.
minus 9. My God. 1 angstrom, 10 power how much is 1 angstrom? Yes. What? How much is the 1 angstrom? 10 power minus 10. 1 Fermi is 1 Fermi.
10 to the power minus 15.
15. Yes. 10 power minus 15 is the answer. You have studied all these things in the 6th standard, 7th standard, I think. Now you have forgotten. That is the problem. Okay. Okay. Then go to question number 7. Can you read this question and then answer it? The pH of a fruit juice is 5.6. If you add slaked lime to this juice, its pH will increase or decrease? Have you studied pH? pH value, have you studied? What is the pH value of water? pH value of water is 7. Anything less than 7, it is acidic. All acids will have pH less than 7. And anything above 7, all the non-acidic, no, that will be more than 7. Slaked lime is a non-acidic. So when you add slaked lime with the juice, fresh juice means it is acidic. So the pH will increase. The answer is increase. Answer is increase. Okay, I think this is. Can you switch off your mic, man? Okay. Who is this? Switch off your Sunny. You switch off your mic. Why are you switching on your mic? Only when you talk, when you want to talk, you can switch on your mic. The process of coating the surface of metal with a thin layer of zinc is called.
Sir, is it galvanization?
Yes, galvanization is the right answer for it. Okay, that is question number 6. Question number 7 we have seen, question number 6 we have seen, and question 5 and question 4. I am giving this as a homework. I am going to send this PPT to you in your group. You try and solve all the problems. 4 and 5 I am giving as homework. You do it, and then probably we will discuss in the next class. I think you are finding it difficult. These questions, I don't know. All these things we studied in your 8th or 9th, but still application of the knowledge is what is more important than your knowledge alone. So anyway, no problem. We'll meet again in the next class. Okay? Thank you.